Okay, here we are back down in the basement Saturday morning. You know, I'm not just doing this plumbing here. You get down here and there's just so much crap in here you got to deal with. I mean, I've started bagging up some of the garbage. I just can't see continually walking over garbage. I've got insulation that's hanging down, that's constantly in my hair and my face. So I've got these here anywhere I can. I'm trying to support the insulation that's not all the way down and wet. You know, look at this garbage here. I gotta get back up in there. See all this stuff in there? I gotta get back up in there and run some water lines, you know, and I gotta mount it up here. The electrical's all crappy. So yeah, it's not just me putting in the plumbing. There's all kinds of stuff that's involved here. I'm taking this out. Let's see if we can get a closer view. Get out of the way of the light. See, this is all mold. This whole thing is mold. And see all these cobwebs? Yeah, they end up in your hair, and all this wood is rotted. So again, everything just takes so much extra time, you know. And then here, you know, I've got this piece of wood here. If this was a customer's place, commercial or a decent residential place, you know, I'd be using Unistrut here, you know, making this all nice, but we're on the cheap. And, you know, you got to have access to everything and can't be crawling over a bunch of crap. And if there's a problem, you got to go be able to get right to it. So anyway, here I go. They're expecting flooding rains this evening. So I'm sure that's going to be fun here. I don't know if I'll be able to be in here. You can see where our river flows. I mean, just look at all this garbage. It's just stuff's hanging. It's just disgusting. So, you know, along the way, I'm trying to do as much as I can and pick up some of this garbage. It just takes so much more time to do all that, you know, and then try to fix stuff. Anyway, done bitching. I'm getting to work here. I'll give you an update later. Did I mention every damn tool I own is down here as well? The mold in here is so bad, I'm hacking. Anyway, here we go. Yum, yum. Okay, well, I'm pretty much finishing up for the day. I've got the two longest runs here. They're all insulated. These are the two hot and cold for the kitchen sink. Comes up around here. And yeah, so of course I ran of parts. I'm out of 1/2 inch insulation. I thought I could use this, I thought it was 3/4, but it doesn't go around my 3/4 PVC. So I've got to get some of that foam insulation there and put it around there. And about the only thing I've got to do here, I've got the this line right here. It's going to have to be moved. That's the drain for the bathtub. And then I've got to run 2 lines here, hot and cold, for the tub itself. And then we'll bring it all together. And this is the hot water heater here. And kitchen sink, toilet. And this is actually washer and dryer. So anyway, I had some extra time. Wiring just bothers me when it isn't done right. So I went ahead and redid the wiring here. We've now got the pressure tank fed, the pressure switch there. It goes up and in and out of that box. And yeah, so there's a junction there. And in case we ever need to have some other equipment in here, I've got a place to splice it so I don't have to run it all the way over. It's going to have to sit there, whatever equipment we're going to use. So anyway, this is what I got done today. I cleaned out a whole bunch of stuff. I got a bag here. I got a couple bags already filled, and we got a backer board in here. I mean, I don't know if you saw the earlier video. This was all a mess. I'm trying to take out as much as I can. I've raised, if you look down there, you can see a lot of that insulation there that was hanging. I've used those these joist things here. I don't know what the heck you call them. Insulation straps, supports, insulation supports. So I did a bunch of that. And then I went upstairs. There was a wire nut in the electrical panel upstairs, and I fixed that. We'll go show you that. But anyway, I'm done here for the day. Get some more parts tomorrow and button all this stuff up, and hopefully we can get all this going here. And then, yep, start working on the inside. The weather's supposed to turn. Anyway, that's it for now. So here we are upstairs at the panel. I went ahead and installed a double pull 20 here, and that I pulled a new piece of cable that was short. They had the neutral wire with a wire nut, and so anyway, I fixed that and hooked up the light downstairs. Now runs off of a double pull 20 amp circuit. We have plenty of wire. This is the well pump. It's going to go in here. No sense in hooking it up at the moment. But yeah, I've got one more double pull 20 I can put in here. So yeah, clean up this box a little bit. They did kind of an okay, I don't know. I just don't like them wire nuts in there like that. It shouldn't be, but it is what it is. I can't fix all the world's ills. So anyway, till tomorrow.